Hi, my name is Ricky Johnson, and I have done my presentation on the topic plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the Earth's environment that adversely affects wildlife habitat, and humans. I chose to do this topic because I feel like people need to be more aware about what our actions are doing to the environment. A lot of people have become oblivious to how they are impacting the environment. Here, I have attached pictures of some animals that have been affected by plastic pollution. One turtle is wrapped up in some netting. The elephants are surrounded by plastic in their own home. The other turtle is stuck in a bottle wrapper. And the bird is actually open, and we can see all the plastic it has consumed. Here are some facts I found to be interesting. The first one is about 8.3 billion tons of plastic has been produced since the 1950s. The weight of roughly a billion elephants or 47 million blue whales. The next fact is only about 9% of this plastic has been recycled, 12% has been burned, and the remaining 79% has ended up in landfills or the environment. And the last fact is over 1 million marine animals, including mammals, fish, sharks, turtles, and birds, are killed each year due to plastic debris in the ocean. I have also attached others pictures, but these ones are targeting places affected by plastic pollution. When thinking about the pollution of plastic, we usually think of pretty typical places like parks or beaches, but it's more than that. All types of bodies of water or forests and so many other places around the world. Some ways to prevent plastic pollution is 1. Wean yourself of disposable plastics. 2. Stop buying water. 3. Boycott microbeads. 4. Cook more. 5. Purchase items secondhand. 6. Recycle. 7. Support a bag tax or ban. 8. Buy in bulk. 9. Bring your own garment bag to the dry cleaner. The problem with plastic in our oceans. The top 3 items found in world's oceans are food wrappers and containers, plastic beverage bottles, and plastic bags. 80% of all marine debris found in the ocean is land-based, and 80 to 90% of marine debris is made from plastic. 8 million metric tons of plastic is dumped into the ocean every year, enough to cover every foot of coastline on the planet. By the year 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in our ocean. Many marine species, including turtles, fish, whales, and seabirds, consume or get trapped in plastic, which often result in death. They have been found with plastic bits in their stomachs, as well as plastic chemicals which have migrated into their bodies. So chances are that if you're eating seafood, you are eating plastic too. How does this affect humans? Not only does plastic pollution affect animals and our environment, but humans as well. Because we consume animals and animal products, and they are consuming the plastic being left around, we face consequences. Some of these consequences being breathing difficulties, respiratory problems, skin disease, lung problems, headaches, and dizziness. So what does all this mean? We can see that plastic pollution is taking a toll on our environment, and we have found ways to limit the use of our plastic. Our part starts with us deciding if the outcomes of new habitats, reusable bags, straws, and so on are actually worth the change in behavior. Studies show that if we continue to treat this like it isn't as big as a problem as it is, we will see huge consequences.